Hi, I'm back. So, out of breath. I was moving stuff around. So, see. The plan is for today. I have one, two, three green stalks. I need to reseed some seeds. My green beans, my bush beans, my blue tie right there. Some of the beans didn't pop up. I kind of figured some of them wouldn't. It has been raining nonstop, so beans will turn to mush when they're super wet. So I was hoping it wouldn't do that, but it seems like some of them might have. And then my broccoli are bolting. It's getting warm, and I already harvested some, so I'm pulling some out now. And then I do have cucumber starts, and I'm not sure if you can see over there. Yeah, that little planter box, I planted all kinds of watermelons, cucumbers, honeydews. My Majari melons, I planted them in there. I've been plugging them everywhere in the garden, so that's on the agenda today. So let's get started, shall we? So first, I'm going to plug in some bush beans. And there's supposed to be like 3 to 5 in here, and some of them haven't produced. You can tell one of them did, and something ate the leaves. I want to have at least 4 to 5 in the pockets, and they're all supposed to turn that way. So you're gonna hear Meow, my cat's outside in the garden as well. She's sunbathing. So our local, what's that, 99-cent store is closing, I guess. So I picked up a pack of, was it bamboo sticks, 8 pieces for 91 cents. I'm gonna tie some back and put some poles in some, because I did see a few. I know I'm gonna need poles soon. This is my zucchini right here, and they're giving me fruit finally, so I'm gonna stake those up for sure. And these are 4-foot stakes. I'm gonna use up the rest of my twine. See the zucchinis? Right there, right there. That one has 3, you see so far. 4. And this one has, wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 so far, see? I'm excited. And this, I'm just gonna get it tied on the stalk itself. So I'm trying to look for is the stalk. Flower already came off. Without breaking the fruit. Tie this sucker back, and the more it grows, the more I'll tie it back. See? There it goes. What? You're fine. So with growing zucchinis, you snip the leaves that are below the fruit. Yes, my love. Needs attention. So this leaf is below it. So I could cut it. And then wrap this around the stem. And then tomatoes, I also cut the leaves. Sunflower. Tie that sucker back. They haven't gotten really tall, so I don't need to stick them up just yet. I might have to on this one. Okay. I really wanted to lay my spaghetti squash down and let it go in circles. Thinking about letting it do that. Did I? Yeah, why not? Okay, it's that one. There we go. Okay, so this lovely cherry tomato is growing huge. I need to tie it back. I wonder if this will let me. Yep. I'm just going to use the twine from the peas. Is it peas? No, those are whole beans. Like so. And these are suckers. So I'm just going to tie it to the plant. So to act as its support. Let's see. Could do it like that. So I have some cucumber starts. So that's what's going to go in here.